Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cat's Create, and I am coming on with a winnings from Carrie's Creation. She is in a collaboration with a Scrap Bin, and I commented on one of her videos, and this is what I received. So let me go ahead and open this up. I will link her channel down on the description below so you guys can check out her channel. She has awesome tutorials. She does a lot of journaling, like junk journaling. So this is what she made, and this is one of her creations. So let me go ahead and open this up right here. She put an eyelet right there, and wow, let's see what oh wow, look at this. This is like a little junk journal, and what she did, she went ahead, this is all made from her scraps, and she has it's like a little notebook, like I said, of the junk journal, and she has a tag right here. Right here she has a paper, and then she include this piece of paper in here. I've never made a junk journal, so this is really interesting. I'm hoping and planning on making some hopefully soon. And she used this is from a book, and she I don't know, I think she used or folded it in half, and she inserted it in here. Here's another page. Oh, here's another page with the folder, a pocket right there, and a tag. And this is part of the next or the other page from that book that she used. Wow, this is really interesting. Oh, there's another page. So I guess she used a few of them. And like I said, I've never done junk journaling, so this is going to bring me some ideas. I know I've seen them here on YouTube, but I'm still clueless on how they work. And then this is like, and that's pocket right there. So this is really interesting because I do have some books that I need to get rid of. So maybe if I don't get rid of one of the books, I can use it to junk journal. And I think she did paint, or did she did something over here? And look at this. Wow. So I gotta start working. Wow, this is really cute. And there's another pocket right here, and there's an envelope in here. Nice. This is really cute. So Carrie, thank you again. This is such a cute project, and thank you for sharing your creations with me, and I will link the her channel down on the description below. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully, I'm lost to words right now. I totally lost. If you're a new subby, I would love to have you on board. If you're a continuous subscriber, thank you for your continuing support. Love you guys. Thank you, and hugs all the way through. Bye.